In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Blender for Shopify. We are going to start inside your Shopify store, where you will install a specific app that helps bring 3D bits into your Shopify experience. If you follow along carefully, you will be able to get the app set up in just a couple of minutes. First, open your Shopify admin. You can usually access this by logging into your Shopify account and then going to the administrative dashboard. Once you are in the admin area, look to the left side of the screen. There you will see a menu that includes several sections. This is the navigation area we will use to reach the app settings. Next, click Apps in the left sidebar menu. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking the correct option. You want the menu item labeled Apps, not something like Themes or Settings. Clicking Apps will take you to the area where you can manage installed applications and also find new apps to add. After the Apps page loads, you will want to search for the app by name. Find the search field on the screen and type in 3D bits. Then press Enter or click the search icon. Make sure the spelling matches what you see in the instructions. Search results should appear shortly, showing the app that matches your query. Now, from the search results, click the result for 3D bits. This step is important because you want to open the correct app listing. You might see more than one related result, so double-check that the listing clearly references 3D bits. When you select it, you should land on the app page where you can review details before installing. Once you are on the app page, click Install. This starts the process of adding the app to your Shopify store. At this point, Shopify may show you additional information about what the app will do, and it will guide you through the permissions screen. After you click Install, you will be taken to a permissions screen. This screen shows the access the app is requesting, such as which parts of your Shopify admin it can interact with. Before confirming anything, take a quick look through the permissions. This helps you feel confident about what you are allowing the app to access. Now, click Install App on the permissions screen to confirm. This final confirmation is the step that actually completes the installation. If you do not complete this confirmation, the app will not be fully added to your store. As soon as you confirm, Shopify will process the installation. The page may take a few moments to update. During this time, do not close the tab or navigate away, especially if you see loading or a progress indicator. When the app finishes installing, you should be able to return to the Apps area and see that the app is now available on your Shopify account. At this stage, the key point is that the app is installed and ready for the next part of your workflow. You have completed the setup step that unlocks access to the app features. From here, you can move on to using it in your Blender for Shopify process, depending on what you are building in your store. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.